In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video clip color in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your timeline easier to organize and quicker to work with, changing the color of a video clip is a simple feature that can help a lot. Clip colors are especially useful when you're working on larger projects with multiple shots, different scenes, or several types of media. By assigning colors to specific clips, you can visually identify them faster without having to open or inspect each one individually. To get started, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where your clips are arranged in the order of your edit. Make sure you can clearly see the clip you want to change the color of before moving on. If needed, you can zoom in slightly on the timeline so it's easier to select the correct clip. Once you've found the clip, click on it to make sure it's the one you want to edit. This helps prevent accidentally changing the color of the wrong video clip, especially if several clips are placed close together. Next, right-click directly on the video clip. This will open a context menu with several options related to that clip. In that menu, look for the option labeled Clip Color. When you move over or click that option, you'll see a list of available colors you can assign. From there, simply choose the color you want to use. As soon as you select it, the clip in your timeline will update to that color. This makes it easier to recognize at a glance and can help you build a more organized editing workflow. A good tip here is to stay consistent with your color choices. For example, you might use one color for interview footage, another for B-roll, and another for clips that still need review. That way, your timeline becomes much easier to read as your project grows. And that's all it takes to change a video clip color in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference when it comes to staying organized and editing more efficiently. If you're managing a busy timeline, this is definitely a habit worth using regularly.